welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're gonna crochet this super easy mesh stitch top. This is super easy and very much light to wear, so let's begin. This is 50 gram equal to 312 yards merino extra fine 285 lace from Meyer, and 100% virgin wool, 2 to 3 millimeter hook, but for me I'm gonna use 3.5 millimeter hook. I have here a chain of 128. It's equal to 20.5 centimeter long, and this is a multiple of 8 plus 5 in the end. So make a multiple of 8 chains and add chain 5 in the end, and left shoulder to the other shoulder a little bit loose, so add more if you want it much more loose. 1 double crochet in the 5th chain from the hook. So 1 2 3 4 5, insert your hook, yarn over, and insert your hook in the 5th chain, yarn over and pull, yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. That is your first single crochet, a double crochet. Make a chain of 7, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and skip 6 stitches, 1 2 3 4 5 6, and go in the 7th, insert your hook, place 1 double crochet, and you have this look like that. So we just keep making this opening here. So place 1 double crochet in the next stitch, so chain 7, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, skip 6 stitches, 1 2 3 4 5 6, and in the 7th stitch insert, place 1 double crochet, and I'm just gonna repeat that until the end. Yarn over, 1 double crochet in the next stitch again, and just repeat the whole process until the last stitch. Chain 7 and skip chain 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6, and in the 7th stitch place 1 double crochet, one double crochet in the last stitch. Perfect. And this is your work should look like, just a series of this one. Round 3, chain 7, 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7, 1 double crochet here, space, and then 1 double crochet again in the same stitch, and 1 double crochet again in the same stitch. Chain 7, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, go in the next space, place 3 double crochet, 1 2 3, chain 7, 2 3 4 5 6 7, and I'm gonna repeat that until the end. I'm here in my last box, place 3 double crochet there, 1 2 3. This is your work should look like in round 3, and then chain 4, 1 2, 3, 4, 1 double crochet on the top of the third chain, 1, 2, 3, insert, place 1 double crochet, or simply just in the work should look like a repetitive of these ones all the way here. So in the bottom I have 16 boxes in total all the way to this one, and in the second row, in this second boxes I have 17, starting from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 17, 14, 15, 16, and 17. Round 4, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and then turn. Skip the very first stitch, this one here, and then go in the next stitch, place 1 double crochet, chain 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and here, not this box but the next one, place 3 double crochet there. 1, 2, 3, chain 7, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, repeat the next box, 3 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, repeat that until the last box. I have here a chain of 7, that skip chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and then in the fourth stitch insert your hook, place 1 double crochet and 1 double crochet in the next stitch. And like that. That's your work should look like. Round 3 and round 4. So go ahead, do that. Repeat round 3 and round 4 until you get the length that you want. Now in round 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and round 5, we are gonna repeat round 3. So chain 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Turn. It's only the beginning that you are going to watch out, and then 3 double crochet here in the first space. 1, 2, 3. And then just repeat chaining 7 and 3 double crochet in the next space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 3 double crochet in the next space. Space. 1, 2, and 3. Chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Insert on the third chain and make 1 double crochet. And so 1 double crochet here, 2 double crochet, 1 double crochet. So 1, 2, 3, turn, and 1 double, skip the very first stitch and 1 double crochet in the next stitch. Make 1 double crochet. So now we have 2 double crochet here. So we are alternating round 3 and round 4. Then chain 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and go in this space, skip 3 double crochet, go in this space, this one, 3 double crochet there, 1, 2, 3, and repeat chain 7, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and here this is the next space, place 3 double crochet. Repeat that, chain 7 and 3 double crochet in the next space until the last space. So chain 7 and go here, 2 double crochet, chain 3, 2 double crochet is the next. So count 1 2 3 and 4, place 1 double crochet there, your 4th stitch or 4th chain, and then place another 1 double crochet on the 3rd chain or in the next chain here, and there you go. You can only see it from the end that you are not lost. So 2 double crochet here, chain 3, 2 double crochet, chain 3, 2 double crochet, 2 1 2 1 2 1. So the next one is 1. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 3, which is this one here. Alternate round 3 and round 4, or round 4 and round 5. It's up to you which one you choose, but that's how we end and we start the round. So go ahead, do that, and I'm gonna meet you once I'm done, and I'm gonna show you how many rounds I made for this piece. And this is my last 2 double crochet here, 1 2 3 4, chain and place 1 double crochet and 1 double crochet in the next chain, which is on the 3rd chain. So I ended up with 2 double crochet here in the end after this chain 3 here. This is how your work should look like. Once you're done, chain 1, pull tight and cut the yarn, and make another piece of this one, which I made already, exactly the same number of stitches and number of rows like that. And I'm gonna fold it and like this. This is the middle and this is the opening of your shoulder. Choose which one you like. The more you close here, the more open it's gonna be for the neck area. The more you're closer to this area, the more it's gonna be tighter. So I would say here, I just estimate that one, and that's how open I want for the neck area. It's perfect, not so tight, not so loose. I'm gonna place a stitch marker and stitch marker here as well. Close this part and close this part. We have 1 2 3 4 spaces, and then we have here the stitch markers. Make sure they are balanced also here in this part. And for the arm area, put this end together and fold it in half, and this is the half, and I'm just gonna place this stitch marker here. Be like here. So I'm not gonna count this part here. So I'm gonna close this part here and this one here. Like this. Here for the shoulder, and here is for the head. And this is how it look like. I hope you like it. It's very easy to make, and you can make a lot of colors with this one right now. And yeah, that's it for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and that's it. See you. Bye.